Consider the following scenario. You have an add function that takes two numbers and returns their addition. We can invoke this function and store the result in a variable. And let's log it. As you can see, the result here is 15. Everything is okay. But what happens when you forget one of the parameters here? You'll receive a not a number result. And that's probably something that can be a pain to debug sometimes. One way to handle this situation is to do the following. We would create a required function that takes no parameter and simply throws a new error that says missing parameter. This function could be in a file called perhaps utils.js. To put this function into use, we'll use an ES6 feature to provide default values to parameters. To do that, we just put an equal sign here and give it the value. This value will only be provided if, for example, here a is not provided. If we provide both parameters, then we'll get 15. But if we, for example, forget one of them, then it'll call the required function here. And it'll tell you missing parameter.